Hi Road Rush Nation. I just wanted to put out this quick little video and give you an explanation of where I've been for the last few months. From the fall of 24 through the beginning of 25, I had some medical issues. No, it was not a motorcycle accident, thank God. No, it's not cancer, but I had some medical issues that really took me down and almost ended me riding in this world, let's put it that way. So it's been taking me a while to get physically going back and up, but having you guys out there was one of those motivators for me to get better. Getting back out on the bike and taking trips with Aaron is the other thing. So I just wanted to let you know, I didn't forget you. I didn't go, I quit. Writing and sharing my knowledge and things that I've learned is one of the things that I enjoy doing, and hopefully you enjoy getting some of that knowledge. And I just wanted to let you know, I'm gonna be okay. I'm fine. I'm gonna be back out riding this summer. Just gotta do some more healing and taking care of a few things, and I'll be fine. But while I was sick and down, I was buying things for the bike. So I've got a couple of videos coming out on accessories that I put on the bike that I think you will find extremely helpful, and maybe something you want to pick up. So thanks again. Apologize for being off for a while. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.